and entrepreneurs and so on. So this is one of those things. And then there's a little bit of a refreshment. If that helps to get over the project, then there will be a little bit of refreshment. And today we were discussing that already to next week we would have a little bit of an internal body that, hey, you have survived. And after the demonstration we would have a little bit something here, but that depends a little bit. But if you can, it would be nice if you organize a little bit of free time after that the demonstration, so we hopefully have a little bit of sweet and something new. Okay, we are back to initial setup. We have dropped all the sides off because they don't hear or we don't hear them. So what we're doing, we are doing the recording and they can see the recording if missing. Now we have lost half of the people nearly already, so let's start. We had an order of presentations, or does it matter anymore?
I think the two memory go really left.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, so it should be instead of the...
Yeah. So, I'm the backup. I don't know for how long, but...
For me. One is interested of the class house, so we take the notes of that first. No, we in the machine. Okay. So Delta from next week, what is new, what is working better than last week? And now when we have already used 45 minutes of our demo, so you have something like 2-3 minutes each.
No, you just...
No. Don't tell me you have one more additional
Just the name?
Yeah, in the meeting.
Ready?
Yeah.
Sí. Porque el pad estamos en el de revisar. No, en el pad de las variables de entorno creo que pusimos que tenía que estar ahí. Entonces por eso se va tan lejos, se van a revisar a meterlo ahí.
Okay. Good. And now how to share the screen?
Memory.
Share the whole desktop with you.
Magic going on.
That's meeting content. See it on there.
Well, here. Just click to send meeting content.
Good? Yeah.
Dejado localhost, catalín.
Hey, we are having a show.
All right.
Webs aplicaciones.
Something like that. Well, hello, we are the memory team once again, and this week we did quite a lot of redesign. Well, first of all, we got this new design from our designer. And here we are in the picture tab. Here we see the photos we have uploaded, and on the right side here we see the emotion wheel, which says this picture is in love, and now we could click on the colors to select a different emotion. Let's say these flowers make me angry, so I click on the blue bar, now it is angry. Or we click on that, and now this wheel is just around to show another emotion. Alright, then we have here the details of an image, showing the title and the friends and all that stuff. Down there we have the contact list. The green contacts are friends, the red contacts are the enemies. And well, as last week, we can add, edit, and delete contact. I guess I don't have to show that. It's same as last week. Then we can here select a different image maybe, and here you see that also on the right hand side we have this emotion wheel which is changed. Meaning that for this picture we have been happy, and for the flowers we have been angry, or maybe better, in love. Then we can add another picture, the same as last week, but now it works better. You can select the picture if I have one.
We can do this solution, so I just call them so they can at least hear you.
Okay.
Is this Victor, no? Yeah. Hello, Victor. Hi, so I Skype you by audio, but please stay in link so you can see the show. Okay.
Okay, shall I begin once again?
Yes, but
okay. Well, we are the memory team. We did mainly only design in this week, and we have now this new design here. The buttons are now in this gray, and if you click them, they have an effect that it goes a bit, it gets a bit dark, but okay, that is selected. And then we have this new emotion wheel on the right hand side, where we can select different colors, and thus we have a different emotion, meaning that if I click here now, it's changed to angry, or if I change to green, it's sad, or it's yellow, and it's just turning around. Then we have the contact list on the bottom here. The red contacts are enemies, the green contacts are friends. We can add, edit, and remove these contacts as last week. Then we can here select different images, and we see that the emotion on the right side changes for the images as it was selected before. And all the information is stored in the database. And the image comes from Amazon. Now if I upload a new image, just pick one here, Apple from now. Now upload it to Amazon, and the information about it from the database, and here we have the new image. And I can now assign an emotion for that. I was there. Okay. I see. Something is not really working, but okay, I can change for the other picture. Then we have now also the music tab. Here we see the songs we have uploaded up to now. And we see the date when it was uploaded, and the author, and also the title of the music. And we could also assign here and scroll them. Then we have the same for the videos. I have actually no video on my notebook here, so I can't show it to upload a video, but I just uploaded here an MP3 file. I can upload another MP3 file just to show to you as well. Here we have it. And now we see here also this map. For each item, say pictures, video, and music, we can assign also a location. And up to now it's showing a location, and I actually don't know how to use it, to be honest. When we can navigate now in the map, it shows us a detailed view, and we will collect it now to the item which was selected, but up to now it's not. And well, what's new? I guess so far this has been the things which are new. And well, we did a complete redesign of everything, and now it works quite stable, and we did a lot of improvements. I guess there's nothing else to show from our side, so that's it. Thank you.
Okay. For memory, the mobile.
Mobile memory?
So you have to come here, show to the. Okay, to the, yeah. No, you have to speak also to get the. Yeah. Have to.
I start the application.
Please, quiet, don't make noise. So.
So the application starts with the flash screen, and after that you can see some text to achieve to attract the user. Yeah.
So now should speak.
Yeah, please. Come here. No.
Yeah.
Yes, I want to see that.
And after that, you run to the login screen, and you do the login.
You have to speak loudly, otherwise it comes to you. Yeah.
And after login, we will go to the home screen.
Wow.
Yes.
I don't know.
Here you will get, yeah. Here? Yes.
People cannot see it.
Difficult, yeah. But here you should let people here to see it properly.
Okay. So, yes, from last week we changed something and following the new design. Just the flat screen that you see and the some icon like the content part here for the memory. So should I present some? Okay. So for the functionality, the main functionality as you know, like I can add the picture to the gallery. So photo is collect all the photo content, and for the music here we list all the music. The same for video and text. And in the photo gallery, you are allowed to select some and tag the content with the emotion. Like first with the name, the time, and place here like with the mark. Okay, but it's running. I have to enter. And emotion, we plan to change it to the new design. So the design team have the same in the desktop application. Okay. So after that, it will up here in the.
Sorry,
Okay.
get your image.
And we have new
Yes,
functionality like. So when I select one photo, so the photo will be displayed in a gallery and allow user to display in the bigger size with navigation. And when photo has packed into one memory pack, the button will be shown here like if you intend to show the information about this photo like here. So it's we have to improve it. It's not good. And we have new functionality here both when we have button here, and when you click it, it shows the left panel and allow to user to jump to other functionality like to change the setting or change the car information. Okay, I think that's all.
Okay. Last up.
Only for memory, if you want to see just the final decision of the layout, is there the file. Just to share it and show it.
Memory layout.
Yeah, you have the layout.
want to?
This is now as it maybe will look like.
Yeah, it's like
By the final maybe.
the ideal situation.
You want to share
It's
the
here.
problem?
No,
Yeah, share the.
Oh,
I haven't
application.
opened it. Okay. I need to open the file. Here, right? Yes.
So memory final layout. Maybe.
Ideal. It's not.
I decided.
Yeah, you have to. Here? No, here. Yes, from here. Shift. This one here.
Okay. Monitor.
Okay? Yes. I thought I disconnected everything. Well, this is just to show you the final layout. Ideal situation. We don't know if the guys could be able to do that in a very short time, but this is how we would like it to look like. You want to say that? You want me to say that? Okay, from the left side, you will see like a navigation bar where you have the personal information, personal content, and the shared content. You can see we developed some icons for the memory content, the photo, video, music, and text. On the bottom, you can see there are two buttons, friends, so you can manage the friends content, your contacts, and a new memory button, which is using the blue color, because this color is like the main color of the app. In the middle, you can see the words where we are managing the content. In this case, we're showing the screen of the memory pack. It's like a box that refers to the users that there's content inside, you know? And on the left side, there's an info board where every time you select an element, you can see the name of the element, the date, where it was taken, or and the map shows you the location too. On the bottom, some persons that you can tag, and the bottom you can see the wheel of emotions that will be related with the content. What's in the next one? Okay. Here is the page with all the pictures, right? Yeah, as the guys showed already. And here, if you select one single picture, and yeah, if you just pass through the pictures, you can see also the emotion with the first picture. This is the example for the video. As you see in the bottom part, you can play or stop the video and regulate the audio. And that's all.
So the next week is final.
I'm trying to go there.
Next. Laptop. Okay.
Sorry, this is the last then.
Sorry?
Yes, this is the last then.
Live demo?
Yeah. Last.
No, next week is another one. Next week is the final demo internally. And then the following week is
Yeah, because everybody's been telling me that this is the last then.
Well, this is a functionality tree. So now you have 1 week time to kind of polish the little things so that it is perfect.
Polish.
Yeah, but the purpose is that no functionality added.
File perché erano troppo piccoli.
And then you just polish it so that it works well.
So, yeah, click. Nicola can
No one
see.
needs to visit it,
No,
one
no,
wants to visit it, but the
no.
point really is it takes time to integrate all of these items so it looks like consistent and okay.
Well, here is Black Hub new prototype. Now we're getting close to what our designs proposed to us. Refactoring is still underway, so not all functionality you can see, but the main context is here. Here you can see a board called Overview, where will be all information and commits relevant to selected project, also information about login and logout. On the second board, user will see tweets from Twitter. Third board task will contain commits from Trello. Results board will be connected with GitHub and we're closing work at it. So for the next demo, it will be done. And on value board will be description about project members and last achievements from the week. At the right side, you can see members list with users status. We provide three possible status: online, offline, and busy. The rest of our work at this week focused at enhancements and fixing, so I can't show you. It'll be on the final product. So that's all for today.
Can show you the calendar. Okay. The calendar works and we'll use it now in the
It's 500.
That's the presentation finished. GitHub, Black Hub.
Stefan? That's it?
It shows you some more data. Basically, that's now redeployed. As soon as it will be finished to redeploy.
Okay.
That's up presentation.
No more.
That's it then. Class up is having a tough 1 week.
Yeah.
So the functionality and filling the set field and those things are functionality existing but not working at the moment. Yeah. Okay. So you will have really this functionality first. Now it's just kind of a making work. Okay. And the final part is beautiful. I wonder how you're going to demonstrate our millions of little computers.
Okay, we just built the small. I didn't touch anything. I don't know. We have to.
Yeah.
Okay. So we just built. Okay. Go away. Okay. Okay. Our small blog. So we just built it like 30 minutes ago. Just to show you. Okay, that's our us. Yeah. Okay, so this week we kind of received almost all the hardware. So Raspberries, a lot of cables. We have to start connecting them to the power supply. That's a lot of work. So we have to work a lot. Something to show you is we tried a script to distribute X5 installation through 2 or 3 Raspberries. So we have, okay, let me show you this one first. So we calculate the pi. The pi, the 3.14, yeah. Raspberry Pi. Okay. So we see that we distribute different processes to different processes. So this one is our master and then the slave. So we divide the processes into Raspberry. We don't really have well, with one Raspberry there's a time like 0.7 calculating the pi. Like we calculate the pi in 0.7 seconds. Putting two of them, we have 0.9. That's not very good. But then we put three of them and we have the 0.6. So that's something better. Yeah, we should make other experiments, that's for sure. And okay, what else? Our guru could say us, Lorenzo, if you want to talk about our stories, I don't know, or
we just started to develop the authentication part. So we just set up an LDAP server, and then we are going to cluster it in the sense that we are going to replicate the LDAP database and so on more nodes. And then we are now connecting LDAP with NFS in such a way that every user can access the data of each subcluster composing the cluster. And we just have a shared storage for each subcluster, and a node can be moved from one subcluster to another, just changing the IDs and changing the shares that are used by these nodes. And another layer of abstraction is constituted by a set of scripts which allows the user to interact with the nodes of the cluster without having to connect to them. So they just run script and that's it. Another great improvement since last week was the configurator, but I'll talk about this.
Yeah, I already talked about this. So the configurator is now being developed, and for tomorrow we will test it. So it basically sends a configuration once a Raspberry is connected to the network, and we have let's say a central database of all the connected Raspberries. And we will also try to replicate this database in order that if the node fails, we don't lose any data. So basically that's it. We will be more precise the next time.
Yeah. I think. And the last thing we are developing is the automatic management of the movement of one node from one subcluster to another. And so it's developing this script. And we started to work on it yesterday, so it is
basically a script that starts on
it starts and just if you just say to the command and control center, okay, move this node from this subcluster to this one, then it connects to the storage, just check the configuration files and the IPs and so on used for the share, and the node is rebooted, and then it gets all the new configuration and so on.
Okay, so also our design part is making the new prototype, so they did some progress. So we don't know really when they will show us anything, but there is some progress. Yeah, and
for the next week, I think we will have something like a pre-alpha of our class. At least I hope.
Well, we are very excited about the hardware that is finally arrived, so it's already something.
For the Raspberry, this is immediate milestone. The project will continue till June. So that's why they are not in a situation that everything must be finished next week or next Monday, next Thursday. Anyhow, the demonstration will be also in this of this project. So great. Good. We use nearly as much time for demonstration as setting up the demonstration. hopefully get it a little bit easier once again. But really, next Thursday, hopefully we have pretty much everything finalized with applications or projects, and we try to organize something sweet at that point of time, and I will tell you a little bit more about what's happening on the following week when I know exactly what the program is. But it will be very short demos and most of the sessions and so on. So that's the overall structure. Thanks, Alex. Okay. Squeeze for the next speech.
And thanks for the magic part to participate. If you have any comments, you can say. Okay, great.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's very good news.
So you're going to be here also next demo. Okay. Thursday, 4 p.m.
Yeah.
Hopefully we will start.
Yeah, if you like, we can have a discussion earlier than that. So if there's open issues to get the final demo up for the Thursday. But anyhow, very good.
Okay.
Okay, are we done?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. See you next week. See you.
For the last week.
Which file did you use for
YouTube.
Yeah. What kind of Bolzano? Debugging this kind of
No, we have to do the second.
Yeah, Bolzano.
But the size is correct because, for example, the mobile app, they work. I don't know for the desktop app because for the desktop app we use the. Don't tell me I didn't.